Was it a hot day for you today? Hmm? Would you like an apple? Are you hungry? Here. Here you go. So, she came from across the road over there where the red barn is. So, we're going to give her some treats since actually today my Grub Terra came in the mail. Let's see how she likes it. So, here's some Grub Terra and a cat. Well, it's kitty approved. Here, would you like to have some Grub Terra since you came all the way across the road to enjoy some Grub Terra? Come on. Look. Whoa. Look. Ooh, delicious. Oh, yeah. GrubTerra is very delicious. I love to GrubTerra. Oh, yum, yum, yum. All right, everybody. Let's talk about what we got in the mail today. It's called GrubTerra. Look at this. So it's great for chickens, reptiles, fish, and birds. It helps make stronger shells, eggshells. Oh, that is good. Do you hear that? Also helps keep feathers healthy, and it's raised on a farm. Look at that. There's more calcium. Check that out. I will have a link down in my description if you would like to order this from your chickens. It's sustainably grown, and there is just great information about this company. It's black Soldier Fly Larvae, and it keeps chickens healthy and happy year-round. Like I said, it makes stronger eggshells. It also will help keep their feathers nice. And my chickens are about ready to start molting. So while they're molting, you can give them some more protein, which is amazing to give more protein. It's 34% protein, and there is 0.6%-ish of calcium and some other great things included into this mixture, which helps the chickens' growth. If you have older chickens, if you have chickens that are molting or getting ready to molt, or if you have young chickens or chickens in general, it's a good idea. So let's give everybody some of these and see what happens. Look at that. Yum, yum, yum. Chicken George says GrubTerra is approved on this farm. Oh yeah, look at that. Yum, yum, yum. All right, so we're gonna go over to the teenage chicks who need also some extra protein because they will soon, some of them, be laying eggs. Well, hello everybody. Would you guys like a treat? It's called GrubTerra, and it's healthy for you. Ready? Ooh, look at that. Ooh, yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Hi. Would you girls like to have some as well? Okay. There's some more. Ooh, they're digging in. They're digging in. Num, 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 num. Num, 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 num. Awesome. So you guys check out the link down in my description for some Grubtterra. I really like that this company, what they do. Check out this company because on my farm we do not do garbage service. We recycle, and so we want to reduce like chemicals and different things like that on our farm. And so I'm really pleased that Grubtterra reached out to me and asked me to do a review video on this. And as you can see, the chickens are enjoying this. So yeah, totally cool. So they come in different sizes. This is a 1 pound package. There's also a card inside that has some information on it. So yes, I really like this company and what they do. Every pound of larvae sold is 20 pounds of food waste being mitigated from landfills. So they do a lot of amazing things. The larvae within this bag are sourced from a farm in Mexico. All larvae are grown in 100% plant-based and 100% recycled food-grade traceable feedstock. A little about the black soldier fly larvae. Native to North America, these amazing insects quickly consume food waste and grow into high-protein feed for your chickens. So check them out in my description and give it a try. See if your chickens will like it and if it's something that will be great for your program. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Wow, look at that, the next day. Look at all those eggs that I got the next day after they got their little special Grub Terra treat. That's some good looking eggs, I'd have to say. Thanks, Grub Terra, for giving my chickens the extra protein that they really did need.